Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So finally the seat matrix for MCC uh, counseling for all India quota 50% deemed universities and DNB, NB Diploma, Central Universities for MD, MS and Diploma courses is published on official website of MCC. Okay, and you can download it from there. This is just an update, and I will share you the complete details. How many seats are there, and comparison with last year. How many seats increment, branch-wise details. So for that video, you stay tuned, and those who have been waiting for the seat matrix, and then accordingly they wanted to decide, they can decide and. About the counseling and our counseling slots for paid counseling guidance is still open. You can avail that counseling guidance, okay, for the support until admission, for the choice filling, details about the colleges, IPD, OPD, and other details about the particular branches, okay, how to handle multiple counselings, state level counseling as well as all India counseling in multiple rounds, okay, how to handle the counseling between DNB, deemed university, and open state private colleges. Okay, so for all such things, you can contact us on 9319128677. There is Telegram group. Link is given in the description. You can join that group. It will be very helpful to you, and you can also download our NEET Mentor application. Okay, so that's great news. And since the matrix came today, the choice filling notification will soon be updated. Okay, so you have to take time to analyze the seat matrix. Don't directly jump into the choice preference, okay, because you might do mistakes and you have to correct it or do the choice filling once again. Okay, so I will send you the complete analysis. So until then, goodbye and take care.